Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So yeah, on the ADA chart, the price is moving higher so far in 3 waves from the low. The parameters have not changed since the last updates. So we had this support area here between 83 cents and $1.06. Here we were watching for a reaction and a possible low in wave 4 or a larger A wave. And yeah, I see 2 pathways from here that could unfold. Try to make it as simple as possible. It's pretty much the same that I see for many other coins as likely pathways. And most of these altcoins are moving together at the moment. There are certain groups of coins. And also here on the ADA chart, what is the first pathway? First pathway is we're going higher more directly, possibly in a 5-wave move to complete wave 5 of circle 3. That's a larger third wave. We might reach, 142, possibly even 172 in this move up before a larger correction is probably going to start in what would be wave 4 before we go up in wave 5. Don't be scared. I'm not suggesting that from here we're going to drop all the way down to 70 cents or something. This support region will move higher with the price as the price climbs higher gradually. But idea is complete circle wave 3, do wave 4, and then rally. Now that's one pathway. The next one is that we're already in that larger 4th wave. So A, B, C, and circle wave 4 is already unfolding. And this 3rd wave is actually here. To be honest, they're both plausible, but I would prefer still one more high. It's just, it would look best with one more. But as I said before, the main level to watch is the 64 cent level. That is this 50% retracement of the rally that started in November. That's what I call key support. Either way, in the short term, we might stretch a little bit higher in both scenarios. In the wide count, we might actually form a wider ABC structure, ABC. Not entirely clear, but this would be the pivot. This is where I would like to see that B wave finish. Yeah, if it's the wide count, this pivot is where it should complete. So that means we now have a 3-wave move up from the low. You might say it looks like 5, but if you look at the subwave structure, it's actually more like a 3-wave move, like an A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but it doesn't matter so much. If it's 5 waves, if it's turning into 5-wave move, like one more higher low, one more higher high, then it's actually more clearly bullish, right? But as long as it's a 3-wave move, it's pretty neutral. But they both, I hope that comes across, they are both eventually going in the same direction. The only question at the moment is how deep is the pullback going to be that the market's going to offer. And that to a degree is tied to Bitcoin as well, which is, in the short term at least, showing us very balanced probabilities. And we might fluctuate between that, 95 to 102K level for quite some time. But I explained that in the Bitcoin video. Now, while I record this video, Bitcoin dominance is going down a bit, so the altcoins are recovering. We'll see how far it takes ADA. Next pivot, next resistance here between 115 and 127. There could be some resistance because it's also where we had some previous here. I mean, this is big. All of this could create some resistance. See the VRVP volume profiles exactly in the resistance area, point of control around $1.20. So that could provide some resistance there. Okay, that's it. I just want to make you aware this is the next objective for the bulls to overcome this area. Be aware there is resistance pretty much in the middle of that box. I'm going to shift it a little bit to the left. And then, yeah, very open to the idea for another extension. I would prefer that overall. But for now, it's going in the right direction. But if we see any rejection in the resistance area and any 5-wave decline, it's likely the C wave down. But then this area would provide another opportunity to maybe look for a position. Maybe 76 cents would be an ideal target then. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.